Hello, everyone, and welcome to Focus English, the podcast. I'm Isabella, and today we will learn how to practice English every day in a simple and effective way.
Hi, Isabella. I'm excited, but I often feel nervous. I don't know where to start.
That's okay, Henry. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to start small and simple. Today, I will guide you step by step.
Step by step sounds easier. I like that.
Good. Let's begin with shadowing. Do you know what shadowing is?
Not really.
Shadowing is when you listen and repeat at the same time. You copy the words, the rhythm, and the tone. You do not translate in your mind. You just copy the sounds.
Oh, so I speak at the same time as I listen?
Exactly. Let's try a short example. I want to speak English clearly. I listen to English every day.
I want to speak English clearly. I listen to English every day.
Perfect. Shadowing trains your brain and mouth together. Even 5 minutes a day helps a lot.
5 minutes. That's doable.
Part 1. Listening every day. Many learners think they need hours to improve, but you only need small, daily actions. Tip 1. Listen to English every day. I listen to English while walking. I listen to English while cooking. I listen to English while cleaning.
So I don't need to understand every word?
Exactly. Even if you understand 30% or 50%, your brain learns the sounds naturally. You hear real English rhythm, not just textbook English. I enjoy listening to English. English sounds familiar to me now. Part 2. Shadowing practice. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. After listening, use your voice. Repeat short sentences. I repeat sentences after the speaker. I copy the tone and rhythm.
What if I make mistakes?
That's okay. Mistakes are part of learning. I am not afraid of mistakes. I learn from every mistake.
I like that. It makes speaking less scary.
Tip 3. Think in English. Start with short thoughts, one at a time. It is morning. I am sleepy. I need breakfast. The sky is blue. The air is cold.
So I think in English, even if it's simple,
Yes. Later, try to say it out loud. Whisper or speak quietly. It's like a daily conversation with yourself. I think in English every day. I speak to myself in English.
Tip 4. Read aloud. I read slowly. I read clearly. I read with expression. Why expression?
Expression helps your mouth, tongue, and brain work together. It improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. I enjoy reading English aloud. I speak with confidence.
Tip 5. Use English every day. Make English part of your real life, not just lessons. I change my phone to English. I write a short diary in English. I record a 1-minute voice message in English.
Even small things like my phone? Yes, small actions add up. English becomes natural, like part of your day. I greet in English. I watch short videos in English. I use English every day.
Now, let's practice all together. Repeat after me. I listen to English every day. I repeat short sentences. I speak even when I make mistakes. I learn little by little. I am improving every day.
I listen to English every day. I repeat short sentences. I speak even when I make mistakes. I learn little by little. I am improving every day. Perfect. That's exactly how you train your brain and mouth.
Isabella, what if I say something wrong? I feel embarrassed.
That's very normal, Henry. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake is a lesson. Slow. Mistakes help me learn. Slow. I am not afraid of mistakes.
So, I should speak even if I'm not perfect?
Exactly. Confidence grows when you try. Even small sentences every day make a big difference. Slow. I speak even if I make mistakes. Slow. I learn more every day. Part 10. Short Dialogues in English. Let's practice a short conversation. I will be the employee and you are the learner.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I want to practice English.
Sure. What do you want to practice?
I want to speak slowly and clearly.
Great. Let's start with simple sentences. Repeat after me. I go to work every day. I like listening to English. I enjoy learning new words.
I go to work every day. I like listening to English. I enjoy learning new words.
Perfect. Dialogues like this are very useful. They show real life English and give you confidence to speak. Part 11. Using English at home. Henry, do you use English at home?
Sometimes, but not every day.
That's fine. Let's try small actions. I say good morning in English. I write my shopping list in English. I talk to myself in English.
I see. Small daily actions make English natural.
Exactly. It is not about hours, it's about consistency. Slow. I use English every day. English is part of my life. Another way to practice is watching short videos. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, anything short and simple. I watch a short video in English. I repeat the sentences I hear. I copy the tone and speed.
Even if it is only 20 seconds long?
Yes, it's perfect for shadowing practice. You can repeat 2 to 3 times, then move to another short video. I enjoy short videos in English. I practice speaking with fun content. Part 13. Recording your own voice. Henry, another tip, record yourself. I record my voice in English every day. I talk about my day for 1 minute.
Even if I make mistakes?
Yes, this is for you only. You listen, notice mistakes, and improve. I listen to myself and learn. I improve every day.
It sounds fun. I can track my progress.
Exactly. And it builds fluency and confidence over time. Part 14. Thinking about your day in English. Henry, let's try thinking in English about your day. I woke up early today. I had breakfast. I went to work. I listened to English on my way. I feel happy because I am learning.
I like that. It makes English part of my thoughts.
Yes, thoughts, speaking, listening, all together. I think in English every day. English is natural to me. Part 15. Motivation and Mindfulness. Henry, learning English is a journey. Sometimes it feels slow, but small steps every day lead to big results. I am patient with myself. I celebrate small improvements. I enjoy the process of learning English.
I feel more confident already.
Great! Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about practice, consistency, and enjoyment. I practice English calmly. I enjoy every small step. I improve a little every day. Let's quickly review the most important tips. Listen every day. Shadow what you hear. Think in English. Read aloud. Use English in daily life. I listen. I repeat. I practice. I speak. I enjoy.
I understand now. It's simple when you do it every day.
Yes, small daily actions are the key to natural English. Part 17. Final Shadowing Practice. I listen to English every day. I repeat short sentences. I speak even if I make mistakes. I learn little by little. I improve every day. I enjoy learning English. English becomes natural for me. I feel confident speaking English. Technique summary. Let's quickly review the most important tips. Listen every day. Shadow what you hear. Think in English. Read aloud. Use English in daily life. I listen. I repeat. I practice. I speak. I enjoy. At 2. Thank you for practicing with us today. Remember, consistency is more important than time. Shadowing is simple. Shadowing is powerful. I practice every day and improve. See you next time on Focus English, the podcast. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking, slowly, calmly, confidently.